but also on the mid-cap. Thinukuntila joins in. SMC's, of course, come out of the report on this one as well. Thanks, Mr. Thinukuntila, for joining in. Prateek just happened to mention about how there was probably not too much of a problem with what was the initial system or the system that we've had for the past. What's your take on this new free open call auction?
Yeah, this is more a case of evolution of market and then integration with the international markets. Initially, I'll just take you through how the whole system works. Then probably we can get into the pros and cons. Now, what will happen is in case of Nifty and Sensex stocks, there will be 15 minutes of pre-market session wherein from 9 to 9:08, that is first 8 minutes, there will be a window open for the only placing of orders, modification of orders and cancellation of orders. During these 8 minutes, there will not be any order matching or trade confirmation. That means it will be just a case of a book building procedure where you can keep bidding in your orders and modify or cancel. From 9:08 to 9:12, that is a 4-minute period. You can there will be order matching and trade confirmation. During this 4 minutes, there will not be any fresh orders accepted. From 9:12 to 9:15, there will be 3-minute buffer period for the transforming this pre-open session to the normal market. From 9:15, this will be the normal market will be open. This is the overall window. Plus one more point is during this 9 to 9:08, that is first 8 minutes when the orders placed, there is no way you can place the iceberg orders. What is iceberg orders? Any seasoned player in the market will tell you that there is sometimes they enter the orders without displaying to the other people. That means they will be there in the system, but there will not be any disclosure of that to all the people. So that kind of iceberg orders are not permitted. That means every order has to be displayed both in terms of number of shares as well as price at which they will be traded. So on the whole idea is during this first 8 minutes, a sense of idea can be brought how the book is getting built in case of a stock. What is the overall mood for that stock? What is the price movement that can be expected for this stock? The whole mechanism may look very routine and very casual in case of a normal day where there is no much event. However, wherever there are special events, be it M&A announcements or open offers, delistings, any credit rating downgrades, or any overnight US Obama announcements, or any special event happens, then it will get an opportunity just to see the mood of the market, how it is there. For example, whenever there is a special news, different participants in the market will have different levels of information. One person may be having 20% of information, one person may be having 50%, one person may be having 100% of information. So depending upon the different levels of access of information, people tend to react in a different fashion. Whereas, as per the current market conditions, when you have different levels of information access, there is a chance that the guy with the least access of information will be subjected to the open up gaps and open down gaps risk. Whereas in the current scenario, he can see in the first 8 minutes how the book is getting built. He can sense how the whole the mood of the market. And then if he wants, he can also bid in his orders at the same price.
Right.
So it is a whole mechanism is you can sense the mood without trade execution.
Sure.
If I may put it this way, in case a person already has a position in the markets, you said only in an extraordinary event when you have market information which can move the markets, have gap up openings or have gap down openings. If you already own a position in the market, is this a system that can actually help you in hedging your positions in an extraordinary event situation like this? If it does take place, is that also a rationale that could be in place?
Precisely. For example, if you closely see, let's say Satyam kind of event has happened, where there will be a whole host of information will be flowing in the system, and different parties will have different access of information. Nobody knows whether the stock price, let's say one day before all this announcement came, Satyam share price is, let's say, 100 rupees. When all this announcement came, one person may feel it should be, the share price may go open at 60 rupees, 55 rupees, 40 rupees, 80 rupees, 85. So there will be a whole host of opinions. Especially in a retail investor, it will be very, very difficult for him to observe. Even before he absorbs at what price the share price has opened at 9 o'clock in a normal market scenario, the share price must have moved haywire all over the place. So it will be very difficult for him to react. Whereas now in the new system, he can see in the first 8 minutes how the whole mood is, where the book is getting built. For example, let's say maximum trades are getting built up at 60 rupees. Even he can punch his shares at that 60 rupees price. so that he'll get an opportunity to exit that 60 rupees. So different people with different levels of access of information will be given an equated chance to sell at the same price at which the equilibrium comes. During that 8 minutes window, market will get to see 5 levels of pieces of information. One is cumulative buy quantity, cumulative sell quantity, indicative buy price, indicative sell price, and indicative equilibrium price. When I say equilibrium price is that price at which maximum volume of trading can happen. And also there will be indicative index number, because all the Sensex and Nifty stocks will be permitted to trade in this window. They will calculate indicative index calculation on the basis of the equilibrium prices of all the 50 individual stocks. So everybody will get to see overall mood in the market. I am sure the relevance of this will get to know in a very, very special situation days.
So what happens if the orders don't get executed and they've not been able to get matched? Do they flow on to the normal market opening? Do they get carried forward into that market? And also just wanting your perspective as to what exactly does this mean by random closing of order entry between the 7th minute and the 8th minute? Does it mean that they can shut the order book at any point in time between the 7th and 8th minute to avoid large participants from putting orders in the last minute so that the others don't have time to react?
Precisely. There are 2 points here. One point is the orders which were built up to 9-8, they will be matched and trade will be executed between 9-8 and 9-12. Wherever there are unmatched orders, they will be automatically shifted to normal market opens at 9:15. That's a normal scenario. Whereas if you closely observe the circular, very nicely put that the first order bidding window will be closed somewhere randomly between 9:7 and 9:8. For example, if it is exactly at 9:8, if there is a big HNI or a big trader, he will always be at an advantageous position to bid his price at the last seconds, so that other people cannot gauge that price at which he is bidding.
Right, Jagannathan, leave it at that. Many thanks for joining us today, really, and walking us through as to how life will change come Monday morning. Take